Hello my dear students, welcome in maths class. In this video I am going to discuss chapter number 3 coordinate geometry of class 9, and I will discuss here exercise 3.1 question number 1 and 2. So let's start with the question number 1. First question is, how will you describe the position of the table lamp on your study table to another person? So let us draw a figure. So AXBY is the top of the study table. It is just like a rectangular, and this one is the bottom edge of the top of the table, and this is the left edge of the bottom, and your position is suppose here this is the position of the student or any person sitting on the chair. So consider AXBY is the top of the table. This is the top of the table, and P is the position of the table lamp on the study table. This is the position of the table lamp. Let the position of the table lamp is A units away from the left edge. A units, suppose A and B are the numbers here. Suppose it is a 5 units away from the left edge, and it is a B units away from the bottom edge. The left edge is the line AY, and bottom edge is the line AX. And these two lines are perpendicular to each other because we know that in rectangle all the angles are 90 degree. We measure all the distances along AX and AY from the corner A. We will start from this corner A. The position of the lamp can be described as A, B. So if suppose number A is 5 and B is 4, so we can describe the position of the point P is 5, 4. This is the distance from the y-axis, and this is the distance from the x-axis. So position of that point is the A, B, or if we will take any number, then we can write the position is like this way. Now question number 2, that is just like an activity based question. So let's start this question number 2. So question number 2 is a street plan. A city has two main roads which cross each other at the center of the city. So let us suppose this is the one center of the city, and this is the center of the city, and there are two main roads. They cross each other at the center of city. So these red color lines are the two main roads. These two roads are along north-south direction. So one is north to south and one is east to west direction. So what is given in the next question? All the other streets of the city runs parallel to these roads. There are other streets. These blue color lines are the streets. They are parallel to these roads. So these are parallel to the east-west road, and these lines are parallel to the north-south main road. There are 5 streets in each direction. So this is the first street, second, third, fourth, fifth, and from north to south also the 5 streets. There are 5 streets in every direction. Using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. When we plot on the graph, so this distance 1 meter is equal to the 200 meter here. Draw a model of your city in your notebook. This is the model of the city. Represent the roads, streets by single lines. So we have represented the main roads by red color lines and streets by the blue color lines. There are many other streets, many cross streets in your model. Yes, there are many cross streets. This is one cross street where 2 streets are crossing each other like this way. One is from east to west and one is north to south. So at that point they are intersecting. That is called the cross street. So this is one cross street. So a particular cross street is made by 2 streets, one running in the north to south direction and another is in the east to west direction. So this is the one cross street. Each cross street is referred in the following manner. If the second street running in the north to south direction, this is second street running from the north to south direction, and fifth is running east-west direction. So fifth is from east to west. Fifth is running from east to west, meet at some cross point, then we will call the cross street is 2, 5. So name of this cross street is 2, 5. it is given in question. The name of that cross street is 2, 5. Using this convention, find how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3. So 4 is the fourth street. 4, 3 means fourth street from north to south and third street from east to west. So this point is 4, 3, and at this point only one cross street is there. So answer is there, one cross street referred to the as 4, 3. In the same way, the second point is how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. So 3, 4 means third street from north to south and fourth street from east to west. So this is that point 3, 4, and at this point how many cross streets are there? Only one cross street. So answer is one cross street referred to as 3, 4. So that's all for in this video, and next questions and basic concept of Cartesian system I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.